Hey guys, welcome back to What Would Dare You Wear. I wanted to do an unboxing of my Yvonne Kinky curly hair that I just ordered. If you're new to my channel, I buy Yvonne Kinky curly hair just about every summer to use as a protective style. I usually do sew-ins with some leave out, but this go round, I am having my line sister make me a wig, and I'm pretty excited about it because I don't want to have any hair out. So let's just get straight to it. I got the package today. I ordered it on Friday. I knew it was gonna only take a couple days. It usually gets here in like 2-3 days. I was emailing back and forth with the rep about my tracking number. She said, you know, we have something or like a distribution center in the United States. Next thing I know, I saw that I had an Amazon package at my front door, so it came in the Amazon box. So I guess they're on Amazon, so I have to look into that. But anyways, it comes in a package like this. I did get 18-inch, 3 bundles of 18-inch, which is normally what I get. I've bought like 20 inches before, and that's when I did the blown out look. I wanted it to be a little longer. So comes in these packages. I'm really funny about hair that comes from out of the country because I don't want it touching anything until it's washed and conditioned and all that jazz. So this is what it looks like outside of the package. Let me just let it hit the floor. I don't even want it on my skin. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Obviously, I've seen people just throw these kind of bundles in their head without washing them. I'm not that type of person. I literally will let this sit in some vinegar and water, or I'll let it sit in vinegar water for a day or two, and then I'll let it. Then I'll wash and condition it and let it sit in the conditioner for a day or two, and then I wash it out, and then that's when it can be applied to my scalp. But yeah, it looks like a bundle of weave. But once I do everything that I usually do to it, it usually starts to look a little natural. Each set of bundles that I've ever purchased from Yvonne hair has been different. But I don't really have any complaints. Kinky curly hair is definitely something that can be high maintenance, but you have to find the right products that work for you. I use Miss Jessie Pillow Soft Curls for this hair, and it works wonders. So definitely invest in that. But other than that, I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the hair just so you can see what it looks like. And I'll also insert some photos so you can see what this length usually looks like and where it hits on me. But I am getting a wig made, and I'm gonna do it's gonna frame my face. So I don't want any hair out this summer. That's where I'm at with it. I'm just so sick of my hair right now. But I'll be in and out of a lot of different protective styles. So I just wanted to come and do that. If you guys have any suggestions on videos I should do, jump down in the comments. But thanks for checking it out. See you later.